But anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick intro. I don't look good, but that's fine. This is a quick intro. We are going to be making some chicken livers, so I just wanted to share the recipe with you guys so you guys can try it out. And I actually want to plug you guys with something. So this is what I want to plug you guys. This the best. This is the best. But anyway, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Mwah. Love you guys. Trim on the first one.